Hello, beautiful friends. I'm going to do my fence today for Christmas. We're getting Christmas crazy around here. And I did this last year and I loved it. So I want to show you guys how pretty it is. Hobby Lobby. And then I think I ordered this ribbon on Amazon. And I want to dress up this old wrought iron fence here for Christmas. Our home here was built in 1842. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to do my fence. Now, a pro tip, before I put my fall garland up, I went ahead and put my lights and my Christmas greenery, so I don't have to do that. So I'm going to fluff the bows up because last year I just stored them in the garage in a big bag. And then I think what I need to do, I forgot to bring my little extension greenery. So I'm just going to take this off, put that on, and let it sort of dangle wherever it wants to dangle. And now I want to weave this ribbon in and out of my fence. And I guess last year I hot glued a hole, which was smart. I'm just going to loop that around here. And then what I'm going to do is just go in and out and so forth, all the way down the line. Let me take you and show you how cute this looks, but you guys have to not look at my garden. I still got to get out here and clean some things up, but I love coming out here for Christmas and just getting the reds going. And then I think I want to get something for my gate. I'm not quite sure, maybe just a big bow. Okay, you guys, I gotta go do the other side and then I'll come out and I'll show you how pretty it all looks. And then we'll give you some night shots as well. While I was out here putting my stuff on my fence, I noticed how gorgeous my neighbor's yard is. Sorry about the cars, you guys. We're on a busy street and we got the hustle and the bustle of the holidays. I wanted to just show you guys how beautiful her lights look.
Okay, I'm in my garage and I wanted to finish off my outside decor and share it with you. So a couple weeks ago, I wrapped that palette in a plastic tablecloth from Dollar Tree and made the bow from a tablecloth also. I'm gonna put that outside and lean it up against my house. And then I have this wood box on the floor that is for Halloween, but I'm gonna wrap that up in a plastic tablecloth also. And I have this gold present that I'm going to keep out with that. And I'm going to make a little present trio, and I will show you that when it's done. Got a few other finishing touches. I'll share my front porch with you also. And I'm excited. Okay, so I just put my boxes out here after I wrapped them. I had a gold box already wrapped. It has a brick inside. I was going to change the paper, but I thought, why change it? It matches, it looks great. I just added a red bow to it. This turned out so cute. So take anything in your garage, a box, anything, put some bricks in it, do, you know, any shape, any size, make a little present trio. And everything I used was from Dollar Tree, and it's all plastic, so it should be fine in the weather. So we'll see how it goes. I'm so excited about this little present trio. Maybe I'll have my husband put a spotlight on it. I wanted to give you a quick glimpse of my front porch. I kind of went with a ski snowflake theme. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you know I love snowflakes and skis. Just a little layered rug. I always have my little snacks here for my UPS and Amazon people, and they enjoy them. Little blanket with some pillows, snowflake trees with lights, some snowflakes. And then on this package tower I did on another video, and that was one of my, are these reels really as easy as they look? And it was. And all I did was sit a couple bricks on the back of that so it doesn't blow in the wind. But luckily I have a porch that's covered, front porch, so nothing really bothers it too much except for a little wind. But I'm excited. Wrapped my door with wrapping paper, and I'll give you a little peek of it at night when it gets dark out. Well, thanks so much for joining Lynette and I as we continue our Christmas crazy decor. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and please make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family and go out and keep on decorating. And it's, even though it's snowy out here, it's sunny and it's so nice out. So thanks again for joining us. And be sure to come back and visit our channel. We have lots of Christmas videos from last Christmas, and we have more Christmas crazy decor to come. Thanks again for joining us. Stroll outside. It's chilly tonight, chillier than it was earlier today, but there's my presents, and I am gonna have my husband maybe put a spot on them, or I could move them over to where that spotlight is. And then I forgot to mention that I put wreaths on my windows. I was super excited because I opened up a box and I had bought brand new bows last year, probably on way sale. So I re-upped my wreaths a little, so that was exciting. But I'll take you around here to the front porch. Those are my neighbor's trees over there. They're really pretty. My husband hasn't come out to put lights out yet. He will. He always does. We do have some lights on the back that I'll show you. And there's my front porch. Looking very nice. I love the glow of the lights, whether it's inside or outside. The glow of the Christmas lights, just nothing beats it. And they can change any color. And it looks like my husband has them set to red and white, which is pretty cute. And we keep them up all year long. I had it in another video where we did like Halloween colors or Bengals colors or Buckeyes or Mason. So they're pretty cool.